In a world that faces many challenges, we are proud to be at the forefront of change, developing automation that transforms lead battery manufacturing to meet the ever-changing demands of today and tomorrow. Innovation, passion and integrity is at the heart of what we do. Where others follow, at TBS, it is our responsibility to lead the way. Our long history means we are prepared for the future, forging relationships with our customers that will last not just years, but lifetimes. We want our customers to thrive because together we can make the world a more efficient, safe, and greener place to be. Our ethos is to create breakthroughs in manufacturing that accelerates the genius of our customers. Lead batteries are an indispensable part of our everyday lives and green energy future. They provide the energy for our growing global economy, supporting renewable energy and critical infrastructure. Together, we're proud to be automating tomorrow.